Have you ever looked at a student and thought, if only you knew how much potential you have? But instead, they sit quietly, unbothered, unmotivated, and sometimes even uninterested. If you're a teacher, a parent, or someone who truly cares about students, this video is for you. Welcome to the Education Studio, where we transform classrooms with heart, hope, and practical strategies. Start with empathy, not anger. Every unmotivated student has a story. Maybe they're overwhelmed. Maybe they're scared of failing. Or maybe no one ever told them they're capable of great things. Instead of asking, "Why aren't you studying?" try asking, "How can I support you?" That one question opens doors, builds trust, and gives students the courage to try again. Set small, achievable goals. Some students don't lack motivation, they lack direction. A huge task looks like a mountain. A small task feels like a step. Instead of saying, "Finish this whole chapter," try, "Let's complete just the first 3 questions." Small wins create confidence, and confidence creates motivation. Celebrate every progress, even the tiny ones. Students don't always need big rewards. Sometimes they just need someone to notice. A simple, "I'm proud of you. That was a good effort. See, you can do it," can turn a silent student into an active learner. Recognition is fuel. Every child needs it. Make learning feel meaningful. When students ask, "Why should I learn this?" they're not challenging you. They're searching for purpose. Show them how lessons connect to real life. Math helps them budget money. Science explains the world around them. English improves communication and confidence. When learning becomes meaningful, motivation automatically grows. Build strong connections. Students work hardest for teachers they trust. Be the teacher who listens, who smiles, who makes students feel safe to be imperfect. Motivation grows in classrooms where students feel valued. Give them choices, not orders. Students feel empowered when they have control. Try giving small choices like, "Which activity do you want to start with? Do you want to work alone or with a partner?" Choice creates ownership, and ownership creates motivation. Be the energy you want to see. Students mirror their teacher's enthusiasm. If you enter the classroom tired, frustrated, or negative, they will feel it. But if you walk in with energy, hope, and positivity, they rise with you. Teachers don't just teach content. They transfer energy. Every unmotivated student is like a seed. It looks small, silent, and unnoticed. But with the right warmth, the right soil, and the right care, it grows into something powerful. You can be that sunlight. You can be that change. And trust me, the students you inspire today will remember you forever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Education Studio for more inspiring educational content. Together, let's build classrooms where every child believes, "Yes, I can."